Hey, happy fall, y'all, and welcome to the Denver and Rio Grande Western Iron Horse Route, the channel that documents the development and progression of my N-scale model railroad layout. I encourage you to stick around for today's video, which is coming up next. Welcome to a stormy yet not cloudy smoking train shed. I say that to you because I'm proud to announce that you're in here visiting with us for the very first video upload coming to you from Iron Horse Hobbies. I'm not starting a new channel or anything, but I did want to have a section of my channel that was dedicated simply to modeling. Everything on this channel is in relation to the model railroad and will probably end up in the layout, but I did want to have a playlist or a section of my channel that was just dedicated to N-scale modeling. Okay, and so I'm proud to announce the launch of Iron Horse Hobbies, and this is my first video upload. And what it's going to be about, it's going to show you the development and construction of my first mini diorama. I'm calling the first mini diorama West on South Boulder Creek. This video is just a quick walkthrough of the development of the mini diorama, and the purpose of the mini diorama was actually to test and pre-test materials and techniques for the scenery series that I just published. Actually, this scenery work is described more in detail in all 8 parts of the scenery series. So if you see any parts of this that you would think you want to enjoy or know more about, you can refer to the scenery series. I'm going to put a card right here for that right now. All right, I really want to thank y'all for being here with me today. I'm really happy with the outcome. Very, very happy. There's some things on it that I would do differently next time, obviously. And one thing is, I don't know if the plaster at the bottom is necessary at all. The Great Stuff foam might adhere to the wood perfectly. I will not use such a thick block from now on in case I do want to plug it into the layout. As this being my first mini diorama, all right, I will not be plugging this one into my layout. I actually put my very first Bachmann 060 on here. That is the steamer that's going west on South Boulder Creek. This Bachmann 060, this little steamer right here, spent many hours running around that layout, just about like it is right now, except for with much worse track work. I'm very proud of this thing. It's sentimental, kind of like my first diorama. I have actually decided that I think I'm going to get it to my mama for her birthday. She kind of enjoys stuff like that, particularly when I do craft arts type stuff. I've done some things like that for her in the past. That's a little while down the road, but I look forward to giving it to her. Again, thank y'all for being with me here today. I appreciate you. I will be uploading more things like this, but they will be a little further away. Take care, y'all. Appreciate you. One more thing from you. If you haven't already, I need you to click right here, or click here, or here, or here, anywhere to stick around. Just stick around.